This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Harris Ford Lincoln is Washington State's largest volume Ford dealer. We carry a huge available inventory of both new and pre-owned vehicles, priced to market and ready to own. We are a transparent dealership that shows you everything you need to buy with confidence. And because of that, we are also Washington's leading Google-rated Ford Lincoln dealer.